Welcome to the Skill Builder at a Glance tutorial on essay writing in exams. If you're used to having 3 or 4 weeks to write an essay, the prospect of writing one in an hour in exam conditions can seem daunting. These top 10 tips will help guide you through the process. 1. Prepare and practice. Revise thoroughly and strategically and practice writing essays from past papers under timed conditions. 2. Read the instructions twice. Some are simple, some can be complicated. Make sure you understand them thoroughly. 3. Choose your questions carefully. Once you've started writing one, you won't have time to change your mind. 4. Plan your time. For example, if you have to write 2 essays in 3 hours, both worth 50%, make a note of the halfway point in the exam and aim to begin the second essay around then, to ensure that both are completed. 5. Plan your answer. Before writing your essay, take a few minutes to jot down the key points you want to make. Arrange those points in a logical order, check that they will answer the question, and if so, you're ready to start writing. 6. Write clearly, legibly, and succinctly. You don't have time for waffle or a long introduction. A very short one will do. 7. Stick to your essay plan. It's designed to help you stay on track. Veer off it and you could get lost and lose time. 8. Stay on schedule. It's important you finish the whole paper. Even a question that you've left until last because it's the hardest may yield valuable points if you complete it. 9. Don't panic. If you get stuck, re-look at your plan to get back on track. If you find yourself running out of time, write the key points you would have discussed as bullet points, followed by a proper conclusion. 10. Allow time towards the end for tidying, checking, and labelling your work to avoid any careless errors. To sum up, perhaps the common theme is not to rush. Take time before the exams to prepare and practice, and take time during the exams to read the instructions carefully, choose your questions wisely, and plan your time and your essays before you start writing. For further academic skills resources, including tutorials on revision planning and revision skills, or to book an appointment with an SAS advisor, please go to www.kent.ac.uk/SAS or email us at sas@kent.ac.uk. Thank you.